Hey guys, we're back doing epic fail Rubik's Cube.
Oh shoot!
Go.
No!
No.
Oh shoot!
Okay, let's try that again.
I'm here too.
Here we go.
Yay!
2 seconds.
World record, guys. 2 seconds. I'm gonna kill you. Mix this up as good as possible.
Yeah, let's do this. By the way, guys, it's called a pyramix, I think.
And I'm here too. The voice you don't know about.
Athens, shut up.
Yeah, we just found his name, Athens.
Okay.
But
I think that's good.
Let me
I
mix
think
it up,
that's- I
son.
think
Let me
that's-
mix it up, son.
Okay, let's see.
Try Sophie.
No,
shoot.
Athens.
Three, 2, 1, go.
What is that?
You're at 9 seconds.
9
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
What the heck is this? Oh.
We're at 23.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
No!
Fell at the last minute, guys. Fell at the last minute.
Last minute. You missed 2. Missed 2.
That's +2.
Failed, guys.
Let's try this one more time.
Okay.
What record are you trying to beat, Tyler?
I'm trying to beat 25 seconds.
Okay.
Trying to beat 25 seconds? What's the Guinness World Record?
The world record is, I think, 5.3 seconds.
I thought it was
5.36 seconds.
No, 5.3. 2 seconds.
According to
For every Rubik's
according
Cube?
to
Or just
February
this one?
2014. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see this.
Here's your pyramid. Of doom. 3, 2, 1.
What the heck?
Hopefully Chiba doesn't come.
I was thinking of the YouTube channel.
I'm gonna tell him about it, but
No, but what if he watches the first shot video? He's gonna like
shoot.
figure it out. Yeah, because if he watches the first
if he
shot,
asks us to join or not, we're not gonna let him.
yeah, it's just us, the trio. The trio. Cool.
Sorry, guys.
Oh yeah!
Another fail.
Let's see, guys. Let's see this
We
guy.
have one fail.
Let's see. He has everyone, but you see this red on yellow. You see green on red.
37.262
It took him.
seconds.
It took him.
Aha.
It took him. What?
Let me try
30.
to be
It
at
took him
least
37 seconds to mess up.
neighborhood